Hey, what's up guys, it's Kruis here. This video I'm gonna try to compare the GoPro 7 and see if it can hold up to the A6300 on a gimbal. This is like the usual wide angle gimbal shot. Let's see if the GoPro 7 can compare to it. Okay, I'm gonna go into the editing room now and see if I can edit this to make it look like this camera, and I'll let you know my thoughts afterwards. Whoa, I am pretty impressed with that test. It's pretty insane. The GoPro looks really close to the A6300. I didn't add any stabilization in post to the GoPro footage. I was literally holding it just like this, no sticks attached or anything. Just holding it, moving, filming like that. Insane. The only thing I did add in post was a plugin that makes the fisheye not as apparent. So I'll link that plugin below. Yeah, I shot in wide, 24 frames per second, GoPro color. Dang, this camera is crazy. It looks so similar to the A6300 footage. So I'm really impressed. Let me know what you thought. Do you think it looked pretty similar? Do you think this can compare to the A6300 on a gimbal? Honestly, I think the color coming out of this camera too is pretty good. I just used the standard GoPro color and then do some coloring. The only thing where this falls short is in low light. But during daytime, wow, this looks amazing. I think it can compare to the A6300. So if you're someone that doesn't want to bring around a gimbal and still wants to get some beautiful smooth shots, this is definitely the camera for you. Super good for traveling. You can get some crazy shots with this. Super good quality. So good, GoPro. Yeah, let me know what you thought. Do you think it could compare? What did you think of those shots? That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave it a like if you did, and subscribe to see more of my videos. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Are you, camera? Are you all good to go? And my shirt is still off. I'm wasting footage here. Am I recording? Alright. Alright.